Good evening to one and all. Now let us see an article on the implementation of supply chain along with design thinking concept. So supply chain, when we speak, it is a common and a general concept which can be applied to all industries. It is all about solving complex problems, and often the supply chain professionals will find a way to optimize uh, its activities and the outcomes in a daily basis. So customer is often looking for a hole in the wall, which means they will have an expectation of uh, expressing their feedbacks on the products or the services what they are receiving from the other end. So whenever the customer understands the job to be done versus the products to be delivered is the first step towards developing customer centricity, notwithstanding the sheer difficulty which it presents, because most supply chain professionals view customers as cold data, and this needs to change. Even though the industries are speaking like customer satisfaction is very essential, they always have a look view as a cold data, so which needs to change. So how design thinking can play a role in this is, design thinking is a human centered approach, as we all know, which is used by the designers to develop and deliver the products or services and also the experiences, not only the machineries, even though even the services and the experiences sharing with the customers is also a very important part. So the big box supply chain is really considered, and in which the customer lifetime value CLV calculations are incorporated. So when we implement the design thinking concept in this supply chain management of any industrial sector, the designers can be entrepreneurs or business leaders or business development managers, HR professionals, service providers, many designations we can tell. The design thinking can be applied to complex problems, okay, that are difficult to decipher. So using this design thinking stages, we can incorporate the design, all the stages of design thinking in each and every module of the supply chain of any industry. So of course the flexibility in supply chain is very much essential, which makes the global competitive advantage of supply chain always. So this is how we can implement the design thinking in supply chain management of any industry. And for example, we can say the Walmart's supply chain or Dell company's supply chain. All these now we can tell all these as an example of implementing design thinking in supply chain concepts. Thanks a lot for watching.